Hey, do you want to learn chess traps? Well, today I'll show you 3 of the most dangerous traps in chess that you can win instantly or cause total chaos on the board, which is the famous scholar's mate, and the brilliant legal's mate, and the last one, the trickiest Lasker trap. These traps can lead to forced checkmate or huge material gain in just a few moves. Now, let's dive in. So first, we have Scholar's Mate. So first move here is e4, e5, bishop c4, knight c6, and queen to h5. This is the classic 4 checkmate, where white's queen and bishop targeting the weak f7 square. If the black forget to guard f7, for example, he played or she played knight to f6, and bam! It's a checkmate by queen to f7. And that is the scholar's mate. Also, I teach you how to avoid it. So don't play knight f6. It is too early. Instead, develop calmly with g6. This move can protect your f7 square. Also, to avoid checkmated by 4 moves. Now, let's move to legal's mate, the queen's sacrifice mate. First move here is e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, and d6, knight to c3, and if you go to bishop g4, well, this is where the fun begins because after to knight takes e5, forcing the light square black bishop to takes your queen. After your opponent takes your queen, your next move will be bishop to f7. After this check, there's no other move for black, only the e7 square, because your opponent can't take the bishop and also can't move to d7 because it's protected by knight. And your next move is knight to d5, delivering checkmate. This is one of the most beautiful classic traps because white seems to blunder the queen, but it is all in the setup. After bishop takes f7 check, the black king is forced out, and knight to d5 delivers a stunning checkmate, using only minor pieces. To avoid this is always calculate before grabbing a free queen, because sometimes it's a bait. Now let's move to Lasker trap from the Albion counter gambit. But now, let's flip the board. Our opening here is queen's opening, d4, d5, like that. If white moves to c4, and your move is e5. If white takes e5, then move to d4. And white move to e3, well, take a check from bishop to b4. If white move to d2 to protect the king, well, just take the e3 pawn. So your opponent forced take your bishop from b4. And your next move, just deliver a check by taking the pawn from f2. Now, if your opponent takes your pawn from f2, your opponent's queen is free. In this position, you are winning because you're up in material. And this is the deadly Lasker trap, named from world champion Emanuel Lasker. It comes from the Albion counter gambit. If white gets greedy by taking your bishop to b4, then black strike by taking f2 pawn by check, forcing the white king out and have a free queen. So, we've seen 3 deadly traps: the scholar's mate, legal's mate, and Lasker trap. It shows how one mistake can end the game fast or turn the tables in your favor. Which of these traps surprised you the most? Try them in your next game. But remember, strong player will see them coming. So use them wisely. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment which trap I should cover next. Thank you for watching. See ya!